Greetings, everyone.
Today, we have an important announcement.
The Universal Character Scripting Helper is finally out of beta.
But first, let's explain what all is new since the release candidate 1 from a few days ago on the first public beta. In case you were unaware, screen effects were added in the release candidate, but have been improved on to include a tint effect, a fade effect, and more.
Hey!
Is that a tint effect with blue?
Don't.
I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, I've been deed, I've been died, I've been deed, I've been...
Darn it. Now we gotta fix this. Activating Quick Hide. There we go. Apologies everyone for the difficulty.
Wait, shouldn't we tell them about sound effects too?
Good idea, Merlin. The sound effects menu has been improved, where there are now 4 preset sound effects you can add to script, or you can save files into your custom sounds folder for use below.
Good point.
You're right. I think we need to install him again. Which brings me to our next feature, starting very soon. TMAFE character directories will now have a preview in UCSH option for ACS files. All you have to do is click preview, click remember site if it asks, and then it will download and let you preview the ACS file. If you like it, you can click the Install to CHARS button, and the program will ask if you want to install it, and if you click yes, the character will be put in CHARS for you.
Wait. You mean to tell me that very soon, if I want to try out a character, I can just click the preview in UCSH and it will automatically download it and let me see it?
You are exactly correct, Merlin. Once you are previewing it, you can click the Install to Chars button to put it in Characters folder automatically.
Hi, everyone. I made it. Wait, what is this? This isn't Mesh.
Correct, this is the UCSH, the Universal Character Scripting Helper. And as you can see, there is a lot to discover. But there's no need to feel overwhelmed, as the 2 main windows have a What's This option for almost every element to tell you what it does, not to mention the tour.
Ah, I see. Cool. But how customizable is it? Like what if I want to close the main actor window by default, or wanted to change the color of the sidebar to blue, or delay my script's starting time?
Very easy, Petey. All you need to do is just use the settings menu to toggle your options. Additionally, as the setting menu shows, I forgot to tell you all about the welcome window. The welcome window lets you easily start a new script, start a new character with a Microsoft Agent character editor module, open an existing ATS script, open an existing basic Mesh script to play or edit it, and more.
I'm sold.
It really is, isn't it? Anyways, the link will be in the description. Also, if you encounter any bugs or glitches, or even have a potential suggestion that is reasonable, please feel free to report it, as this program will be updated over time. Anyways, goodbye.